where sounds twist and snag, echoes of the past, blending new crafts.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This being my first video, I wanna first introduce myself. I think I can call myself an audio enthusiast. I really like to listen to the music with high quality equipment, but on the other side, I also love working with electronics. This is just a hobby to me, and lately I have been thinking that maybe it's a good idea to share a little bit of this with you. So let me know in the comments if you like my videos, and please thumb up and consider subscribing my channel. I will try to make updates as much as I have my own time for my hobby. We'll see then how this turns out. So, let's hop in the first project then. Okay, what do we have here on my bench? We have this Fender Bassman Guitar Amplifier, and I have just recently got this one. This is for some kind of a restoration project. It's coming from my friend, and as you can see, we have done something with this amplifier already, and now I have taken this chassis out from the box, and let's have a start. I really don't know very much of the past of this amplifier. I do have these amplifier tubes. I don't know what is the condition, but it looks like they are right model, and I really haven't tried to put this thing on. As you can see, the power cord is cut because it was torn. It was completely done. Anyways, I have to change this cord someday. But yes, I did take this cover off already, and as you can see, here are the capacitors for this amplifier. And regarding for its age, I'm pretty sure they are not in a very good condition. They all have to go, and I need to change them. I have already sorted out the other end of these capacitors and measured some of them. They don't measure very well anymore. Okay, let's have a look at the faceplate. It's a Bassman. This particular one is pretty rare, I think. What I have been reading about it, it is circuit AA165, and this AA means it has got this bias control here. So it has been manufactured just some couple of months in the year 1965. Also here, as you can see, I have done some work already. I did take out these old capacitors from here, and already I changed them to the new film capacitors. They are better quality, of course. There, one electrolytic cap it's taken out. And in my opinion, all of these capacitors, they need to go. I'm going to change them to the new ones. And as you can see, there has been some overcurrent or extensive heat for these resistors. Maybe it is because these coupling capacitors are leaky. So the tubes have got too much current flow. And yeah, what is the condition anyways? I don't know already. I don't know very much where this amplifier has been for recent years, what has happened to it, but this is some kind of glue I found inside the box, these replacement fuses, so I think this have been blowing fuses. And we can check it out, of course. Well, let's put this resistance meter to the power cord, and then we are going to try to turn it on. Well, nothing happens. So what I suppose it is, I suppose the fuse is blown. It's nothing, just nothing. It says there's no conductivity. Oh. So yeah, this one is blown. I hope that the transformer itself is not blown. Well, of course we can test it. I can put my meter here. This line is coming from the line, and we are connecting it to other transformer side of the fuse. And then we have this voltage selector, and it is going in the different tabs of the transformer primary windings. So let's put this on. Yeah, we do have good resistance. We also do have this voltage selector here, and I can change the selector. Yes, and we can see it changes a little bit. That's a good sign. Okay. Well, then we can continue with the project, I think. Next thing I'm going to do with this amplifier, I'm going to change all these old capacitors to the new ones. From here on the other side, the electrolytic capacitors as well. It was the first part of my vintage amplifier restoration project. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about the capacitors and going to change some of them. So, see you next time.